I was listening to Emma Stone's latest podcast interview, and she swore by this simple morning ritual that's been making waves: the gelatin trick. Apparently, she stumbled upon it while researching natural ways to boost her energy, and now she's hooked. The gelatin trick, as she calls it, is all about harnessing the power of just three basic ingredients: gelatin, lemon juice, and water. My friend, who's also a huge fan of Emma, decided to give it a shot, and the results were pretty impressive. She noticed that after incorporating the gelatin trick into her daily routine, she was able to wake up without that bloated feeling, and her skin looked more radiant than ever. As researchers say, the gelatin trick works because the combination of these three ingredients helps to gently cleanse and nourish your system. When you make the gelatin trick a part of your morning routine, you're essentially setting yourself up for a day of better digestion, more sustained energy, and a general sense of well-being. If you're curious to learn more about the gelatin trick and how to make it work for you, be sure to check out the link in my description below for a detailed rundown. And if you have any questions, head to the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips and tricks to get you started with the gelatin trick.